So, what would actually happen if the moon hit the Earth? First, the tides would go absolutely wild. The moon's gravitational pull would become overwhelming, coastal cities, completely underwater. Satellites would be ripped from their orbits, rendered useless. Our global communications, GPS, all of it gone. The pressure from its gravity would trigger constant earthquakes, volcanoes erupting every single day, and when the moon finally gets within 11,000 miles of Earth, our planet's gravity would tear it apart, shredding it into countless pieces and forming a massive, shimmering ring around Earth, like Saturn. Beautiful and deadly. Any survivor in the void. And speaking of the void, what happens when two black holes collide? They send ripples through the very fabric of space and time. Gravitational waves moving at the speed of light. Einstein predicted them. But we didn't actually detect one until 2015, using LIGO. Scientists split laser beams down 4-kilometer-long tunnels, waiting for the tiniest changes. And sure enough, they found them. The universe, rippling like water. Now, let's talk about something a little more emotional. Opportunity. One of the most beloved Mars rovers. She was only meant to last 90 days. But she kept going. And going. For 14 years. Over 28 miles across Mars. Until one day, a massive dust storm blocked the sun. No more solar power. And her last message: my battery is low. And it's getting dark. Now let's take a breath. Because this next part is strangely beautiful. Sunsets on Mars. Unlike Earth's warm reds and oranges, Martian sunsets glow blue. Fine dust particles in the atmosphere scatter light differently, letting those cooler tones shine through. And while we're stargazing, one star might be about to go out in the most dramatic way possible. Betelgeuse, a red giant nearing the end of its life. It's acting strange, brightening, dimming, shedding parts of itself. And when it goes supernova, it'll light up our night sky like a second sun. You'll see it even during the day. It'll cast shadows at night. And though it's 500 light years away, it could have exploded already. We're just waiting for the light to reach us. Black holes are tricky. They emit no light. They're almost impossible to see unless they're eating. But scientists still manage to photograph one, using a telescope the size of the Earth. Literally, they place telescopes all over the globe, sensing them together, targeting two giants, Sagittarius asterisk, at the center of our Milky Way, and the behemoth in galaxy M87. And it worked. We got real photos of actual black holes, not CGI, not a simulation, real. And then there's this, the pale blue dot. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned around one last time before leaving the solar system, and snapped a photo of Earth from 4 billion miles away. A tiny speck, caught in a sunbeam. Carl Sagan said, "Look again at that dot. That's here, that's home. That's us." Now, not every space story is inspiring. Let me tell you about Laika, a stray dog from Moscow, the first living creature to orbit Earth. In 1957, the Soviet Union sent her up in Sputnik 2. She was scared. Her heart raced, the temperature soared. And after just 6 hours, Laika died. No return plan. Finally, I want to leave you with this. You are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star. The water you drink, born at the dawn of the universe? Physics and astronomy are how the universe observes itself. So, when someone tells you you're a star, they're not wrong.